Good morning! Welcome back to the channel and another video from Sulit TV. Sana'y nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan. I-share ko lang ang aking experience last night when I was on my way home from work. Nung nasa public bus na ako, on my way home, ay sumakay ang grupo ng inspectors, obviously to check ang validity ng aming mga ticket or DARV cards at i-apprehend ang mga violators. Yung mga passengers na hindi nag-tap in upon entering the bus ay obviously na-noticed or na-track ng kanilang card reader. Kinuha ang kanilang mga ICAMA numbers or ID numbers. I'm not sure if on the spot ay in-apprehend sila by imposing the corresponding penalty o kaya naman na inisyohan ng warning or maaaring in-register sa government authority or nagla-levy ng penalties. So, when I got home, I checked the Riyadh Public Transport website to know more about the violations and penalties. At ngayon ay isi-share ko sa inyo ang ilan sa mga violations na nakapost sa website. One of the violations is failure to pay the transportation fee or failing to validate the ticket or DARV card in all Riyadh public transport vehicles boarded. The penalty is 200 riyals plus the corresponding fare. Accessing the public transport service or infrastructure by jumping or climbing, 500 riyals is the corresponding penalty. Accessing unauthorized areas, 200 riyals is the penalty. Causing disturbance to passengers, carrier staff, or infrastructure personnel, 200 riyals is the penalty. Blocking service area entrances and exits and not giving other passengers enough space while exiting, 100 riyals is the penalty. Entering forcefully the vehicle when it is full, 100 riyals is the penalty. Smoking on the bus or train or in areas where smoking is prohibited, 200 riyals is the penalty. Eating food or drinking inside the vehicles is forbidden, 100 riyals is the penalty. Placing feet on the seats, 200 riyals is the penalty. Bringing non-foldable wheeled personal devices, 200 riyals is the penalty, except for strollers, wheelchairs, and mobility aids for persons with disabilities. Hindi po kasama yon. Entering or attempting to enter or exit in areas not designated, 500 riyals is the corresponding penalty. Sa mga pasahero po na nagpipilit na bumaba or sumakay in the middle of the traffic or at the stoplight, it is strictly prohibited. For carrying materials that emit unpleasant or foul odors, 200 riyals is the penalty. If you bring food inside the vehicle, please make sure that it is stored in closed containers. Sleeping in prayer room or in areas where sleeping is prohibited, 200 riyals is the penalty. Failure to prove entitlement for discounted tickets, 200 riyals plus corresponding fare is the penalty. Kinakailangan ng kung kayo mag-a-avail ng ganyang privileges of discount ay mayroon kayong valid document that will prove your eligibility. Mayroong mga students, senior citizens, cancer patients who are 50% discounted. Using bicycles, skates, or any kind of skateboards on the vehicle or in the facilities is strictly prohibited. 200 riyals is the penalty. Placing bags and luggage in areas not designated for them, 100 riyals is the penalty. Kaya sa mga pasaherong papunta ng airport, ilagay lamang sa tamang lagayan. Usually, mayroong luggage tray na makikita sa bawat cabin ng train or on the bus. Tampering the facility of transportation and causing damage to it is a violation. 500 riyals is the penalty. Occupy a space or seat for people with disabilities or limited mobility is also a violation. 200 riyals is the penalty. And those are the violations listed in the Riyadh Public Transport website. I hope it provides meaningful information. Have a safe and enjoyable ride, everyone. Bye-bye.